Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Girl in the Contryside. In today's video, you'll see my second brother using a grass cutter to clear the area around the dragon fruit garden, creating more open space so the plants can grow better. Watching the drops of sweat fall, you can really feel how hard farm work is, but it's all done with the hope that the results will be worth the effort. If you find this video simple and meaningful, please like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to follow more Contryside life videos. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I wish you good health, peace, and lots of joy. See you in the next video.